Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn on or turn off the hardware acceleration in the Midori web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, step number 1, launch the Midori browser. And step number 2, access your browser settings. If you don't know how to access it, guys, click into these 3 lines in the top right and navigate to settings here. And after that, navigate to the General tab and scroll all the way down till you get to the Performance settings. There it is. So usually the hardware acceleration should be set or turned on default. That was at least the case for me when I launched Midori for the first time. So if you'd like to turn it off and don't know where to access these hardware accelerations, guys, you will need to uncheck this box here, and that is going to give you access to the hardware acceleration settings below. So if you'd like to disable it, simply turn off this option, use acceleration when available, and that's it. If you'd like to turn it back on, use that checkbox here to the left, and you can hide that settings by clicking into that checkbox here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.